In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to create a schedule, first you need to go ahead and identify the task under the project. You need to go ahead to the project folder and then identify the task that you wish to schedule. So for my case, I'll go under space here and then choose one of the space, and I'll go to this team space. Then the task is under this project 1. Now here you'll be able to see all the tasks that are available, or you can create a new task for you to add a schedule. So I'll go ahead and add a new task. I'll call it task 2 and then I'll just save it, and here we go. Now I'd like to go ahead and add a schedule on this task 2. To do that, go ahead and just click on the task to open it, and to add a schedule, go to dates here and then click on start date and due date. So to schedule the start date, if you click on it, it will open a calendar. Go ahead and choose the date you wish to schedule the task. So I'll like this task to be scheduled on the next day, which is on 1st, and then go to time to add time. And if you click on time here, you can choose the time when the task should begin. For my case, I'll choose 6 p.m. and automatically it will go to due date. So under due date here, go ahead and choose the due date when this task should end. For my case, it will end again on 1st. And for time, I can go ahead and tap on this time and change it from this entry of 7 to maybe 8. So I'll go ahead and choose 8 like this. Just click outside and you'll see your schedule has been applied here. So to view the schedule, you can still go back, and under the task, you should be able to see it here. To see more details about it, you can also just go to calendar, and you'll have here a calendar view where you can see we have this task 2 scheduled for 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. tomorrow. So that's how you can create a schedule in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.